Brownie, give her the box back. Go ahead and take it, honey. Brownie. Very good. Good job, Abby.
Be careful with it.
Yeah, you gotta be careful. Put that back on so I can see it, honey. Ooh. Wow, it's a purse. And a box for Abby.
Abby says thanks, Grandma and Grandpa.
Oh, it's filled with all kinds of fun stuff. Wow. Ooh, what's that? Ooh, I know what that is. That's a pom-pom. Mama will help you open it, honey.
Wow, and it's Buffalo Bills colors.
Ooh. Pom-poms. You show her the pedal board?
Huh?
You show her the pedal board? It's on the right. It's on her right.
What's in there?
Ooh, what's this? Ooh. It's a bracelet and a ring.
It's cute.
Oh, wow.
Beautiful. It's beautiful. Let's see that. Let's see what's put it in.
My knuckles.
Oh, I'm not sure if there's a necklace in here or not. We'll have to keep looking. I think we might have gotten everything. We sure did.
And there's one more zipper to open there.
I think that's... Oh, there's more. Wow.
Ooh.
It's paper. And it looks like they got you a pen too. Wow. Nope, that's not her. Stuff. Hold on. There we go. Crazy eights. It's a cute purse. You can stash a lot of stuff in that purse.
There you can. Hey, can you get the pen started for her?
Yep.
1 second, baby. We'll help you with that. Hey, babes. There you go. Mama's going to help you.
Okay.
You want to open those? Open up your crazy 8 cards. Ready? We can learn your numbers that way. Wow, honey. Well, we're not going to draw on the cards, honey. Draw on the paper. Okay? There you go. Got it?
Two more.
What you do here? Look. Can I show you? Watch. You want to try?
Yeah, I will try.
Close, honey. It's tricky. Ooh, I like your ring. Wow.
There you go.
Did it. Wow.
Can you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Yeah.
Will you say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa?
Honey, thank them. Look at Dada.
Sweetheart, can you say thank you?
Easy.
I'm not sure what that was, but I guess that's what we're getting.
Thank you, Grandma and
Thank you, Grandma and
Grandpa.
Grandpa.
Thank you, Grandma and Papa.
How does she still remember that?